Assalamu alaikum everyone. So, we are going to start a very new topic of chapter number 1, that is Introduction to Biology, and the topic is Impact of Biological Studies on Human Welfare. We are on page number 13. Those who have books in their bags, kindly take it out and open it up. Impact of Biological Studies on Human Welfare. Before starting the actual topic, I would like to say that here in this topic, we are actually going to study about how biology helps in a human life to make it easier. How biology helps a human being to get himself cured from different sort of diseases, how biology works on vegetables, how biology works on growing different kinds of foods and fruits. So here in this chapter, impact of biological studies on human welfare, we are actually going to study how biology helps a human to make his life easier uh, along with each passing day. Production of food. Biology has actually made an enormous effect on the human welfare by improving quality and quantity of food. Due to biology, we have now got various different kinds of crops like wheat, maize, barley, rice, and we have got different kinds of vegetables. For example, if I say that we have got a number of different quality of rice production in Pakistan. If I say that we have got a number of different varieties of mango production in Pakistan, I'm going to sum up all of these things. So I must say that due to biological researches or due to biological progress in the field of mm, food, so there are production of various different kinds of foods, fruits and vegetables are now have been grown up. Man has improved the quality and quantity of food, both. Like we had famine situation previously. Famine situation actually कहत साली को बोलते हैं. We had famine situation previously, but nowadays we have overcome that shortage of food. We are now supplying food to other countries as well. We are now exporting food to other countries as well, because we are now enormous amount. We have now enormous amount of food in our country. Pest control. If I talk about the previous era, or if I talk about the previous few years, so pests were one of the most deadliest things that harms or that damages crop. So just because of biological science, yeah, just because of biological researches, man has now controlled the pests. Uh, Man has now controlled pests and their deadly diseases to the entire farm or to the entire crops. Improvement of health. In the field of health, the discovery and development of new medicines, vaccines and diagnostic medical equipments has been very helpful to mankind. In the field of health, various new tools and techniques has been in progress every day, in every passing day, just to improve health. Medicines, vaccines and diagnostic equipments have now been what should I say, have now been discovered or have now been developed as days passes, because diagnostic equipments actually helps us to identify the diseases that is going on internally as well as externally. Antibiotics, man has improved the quantity and quality of antibiotics just to cure different deadly diseases. Smallpox, tetanus, and diphtheria can now be easily controlled. Smallpox is also known as chickenpox. Tetanus is actually the bacteria that got stuck on us when we fall on the ground and we have got wound on our body surface. So their been uh, tetanus has now been attached, or tetanus has now what should I say here? Tetanus has now, the bacteria of tetanus got stuck to our wounds and then caused diseases. Diphtheria is a kind of disease is as same as malaria because it's been spread by the mosquitoes are now be easily controlled. Reduction of infant mortality in the previous areas, infant mortality was in a higher number. Just because of biological researches, infant mortality has now been reduced. Infant mortality, also known as when a small baby borns, or a baby born, what happened? The immediate death of small baby is actually known as infant mortality. That's now been easily controlled. Pathogenic organisms can now be easily controlled. Pathogenic organisms are those that spread diseases are now under control. Improvement of environment in the field of after the field of health, man has also improved environment. Like in the past few decades, rapid industrialization has resulted in the pollution of surroundings, including air, land, and water. So, by the advancement of biological researches or by the improvement of science, man has now overcome the environmental pollution. Like हम ये कह सकते हैं कि काफ़ी हद तक man has now controlled environmental pollution. Like industrialization causes pollution, rapid industrialization. अब ये rapid industrialization किसे कहेंगे कि लैंड को बैरल कर दिया जाता है, उसके बाद उसके ऊपर न्यू बिल्डिंग्स जो है वो कंस्ट्रक्ट कर दी जाती है, न्यू इंडस्ट्रीज़ कंस्ट्रक्ट कर दी जाती हैं. दैट कॉजेज पोल्यूशन. एनिमल एंड प्लांट्स लाइफ आर एक्सपोज टू हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स. Just because of industrialization, animals and plants life are deadly exposed to harmful effects. And man has also eliminate pollutants. Pollutants are those that causes pollution. Pollutants are actually those substances that causes pollution, and man has maintained healthy environment. Genetic engineering is actually the way one's disease can be totally eliminated from one's body, and instead of that diseased gene, a new healthy gene of someone else has been replaced by the diseased gene. Genetic engineering uh, genetic engineering is much beneficial for mankind. It provides a number of mammalian proteins, or I must say that a number of mammalian proteins can be easily produced by bacteria. This is quite amazing thing that a number of mammalian proteins can be easily produced by using bacterial cells. I must say that many drugs and hormones are now being synthesized by using different sort of genes. For example, we produce human insulin by taking out bacterial DNA. Cystic fibrosis and other deadly diseases are now being curable. Um, for example, the mucus or the clogs of lungs, liver, pancreas, and other hereditary diseases are now being treated just because of genetic engineering. Homework: you have to read chapter number 1, page number 13 till 16. Learn question number 15 from Zarav Shah reference book. Thank you all. Meet you all soon.